Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to 9x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both side, and we have 9 dx dv, that is about cosine x dx. The integration of cosine x, that is about sine x. Now we have u multiplied by v, that is about 9x sine x, and we put the bounds from 0 to b. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration from 0 to b, and we have 9 sine x dx. The integration of negative sine x, we have positive number 9 cosine x, and we put the bounds from 0 to b. And now we have the final answer. Now we calculate this one, and we have negative 18. This is the end. Thank you for watching.